Alright everyone, so it looks like we got some new leaks for the brand new Galaxy S25 FE, and we have some specifications on this leak as well. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is safe out there. We have some news about the brand new Galaxy S25 FE, and if you guys want to read this article on your own time, I'll leave a link in the description down below. But as you guys can see, this article is from sammobile.com, and it reads, the new Galaxy S25 FE render reveals its second color. It says Samsung is expected to soon launch a new fan edition device, the Galaxy S25 FE. So far, there have been tons of leaks about this device. Last month, a leak revealed its renders, which showed that it won't bring a major design upgrade. Last week, we got to see the real-life image of the phone, which revealed that it will be available in gray. Now we have a new render of the device, which reveals its second color option. On X, a popular tipster, Evan Blass, has posted a fresh render of the Galaxy S25 FE. It shows the device in white color, confirming that it will be one of the color options on offer. As you can see in the image below, it shows the device from the front and back, just like the previous renders revealed. The phone looks largely similar to its predecessor, the Galaxy S24 FE. And yes, this is what the render looks like right here. Essentially, it looks like the entire lineup of the normal Galaxy S25, the S25 Plus, and of course, as they stated, the S24 FE. So there's not an insane difference right here. I'm sure they may use some different materials. That's how it looks. I'm hoping that they do have a frosted glass back though. That would actually be very nice. It says according to the previous leaks, the phone will feature the Exynos 2400E chipset. One of the configurations on offer will have 8 GB of RAM, and the brand will ship the phone with Android 16 based One UI 8.0. While there's still no concrete information about the rear cameras, a leak claims that the Galaxy S25 FE will have a 12 megapixel selfie camera, which should be a significant upgrade over the 10 megapixel unit and last year's model. So those are the leaks that we have thus far for the brand new Galaxy S25 FE. Are you guys excited for this release? Are you going to pick it up? Let me know in the comment section down below. How do the specifications look to you guys? I don't think they're that crazy, to be quite honest. And if you guys didn't know, the Exynos 2400E was actually a processor that was used in the Galaxy S24 FE. So kind of a weird choice for them to put this processor inside of the brand new S25 FE. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. It's a decent processor. It's more of a mid-range processor, of course. It's kind of, I guess, on the line of flagship and mid-range, but more so a mid-range processor and more so known as a mid-range processor. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. This isn't probably going to be a device for any of the S24 users or S24 FE users to upgrade to, obviously, but this may be something that the S23 and S22 FE users might want to go ahead and look into. But as far as what we see right here, it's not going to be a crazy upgrade for the S24 FE users. So I would keep your devices for sure. But I will have more news on this device very, very soon. And I will be doing my unboxing and review on this device as soon as I can get this device in my hands. But again, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Is this a device that you guys are interested in? Are you going to pick it up? Do you want me to pick it up and review it? Let me know in the comment section down below. But hopefully you guys have a great rest of your day. This has been Safon from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.